In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an auto reply on Facebook Marketplace. If you've ever had to deal with an overwhelming amount of messages after listing items on Facebook Marketplace, you know how challenging it can be. Responding promptly is crucial, but with so many inquiries, it can be daunting. Well, that's where setting up an auto reply comes in handy, and today I'll walk you through the entire process, making sure you can efficiently manage your messages and, ultimately, your sales. We'll start by opening the Facebook app or logging into Facebook on your desktop. On either platform, navigate to the Marketplace icon. It's important to ensure that your page, if you're using one, is linked to the Marketplace. If everything's in order, let's proceed to the next step. Once you're on the Marketplace page, look for the Your Listings section. Here, you can see all the items you've listed for sale. Now, find the inbox where you receive messages from potential buyers. It's located in the navigation menu right under the Marketplace banner. With your messages in view, let's set up that auto reply. If you are on the desktop version, you should click on the Settings gear icon, which will open up Message Settings. From there, locate the option labeled Instant Replies or Auto Reply. You'll see a default message, however, you'll want to personalize this for your potential buyers. Think about what immediate response you'd like to give your customers. Maybe something like, "Thank you for your message. I'm currently unavailable but will get back to you as soon as I can." You could also include a link or a note about when you're usually online to manage expectations. Once you've drafted this message, save it, and the auto reply will be activated for anyone who messages you from your listings on Marketplace. For mobile users, the process is similar but taps-oriented. After you've navigated to Marketplace, tap the 3 vertical dots to access more settings, and then hit Your Listings. Repeat the process of searching for your inbox, and you'll soon find your message settings. Set your instant reply as we discussed earlier. And there you have it. By implementing this feature, you're ensuring that potential buyers receive immediate feedback, and that can make a world of difference in managing sales and maintaining a professional impression. Remember, though, to check back and respond personally when you can, as this human touch is where deals get closed. With the auto reply doing some of the lifting, you'll find your time is suddenly freed up to focus on what truly matters: selling and talking to genuinely interested prospects. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.